Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to cut and sew a trouser, and you will need your ruler, your hip curve, your measuring tape, and all the measurements that you need. So let's commence. So to know the exact fabric that you will need, you divide your hip measurement by 4. Then you add some inches to it. That is what you use to cut out the fabric. First of all, you roll the edge of your cloth. You roll the edge of the fabric. Then now you input your measurement. Then from that place you roll, you measure your hip. You place it there. Then you measure your knee from your hip to your knee. Then from your knee to the full length of your desire. Then with 2 inches for the folding. So after rolling out all the lines, that's the waist, the hip, your crotch, your knee, and the full length of your fabric. And to get your crotch, you divide your hip by 4. Then whatever you get, you place it there. That will be your crotch. Now you go in by 1 inch from the waist point. The edge of your fabric is your waist. Then you go in by 1 inch. Now you place your waist measurement, divide by 2. Whatever comes out of it, you place it there. Then you add 1 inch allowance. Then you go to your crotch line. Your crotch line, that is where we are going to be placing our hip measurement. Your hip divide by 4. Whatever comes out of it, you place it there. Then you add 2 inches. Then you go to your knee. You divide your knee measurement by 2. Whatever comes out of it, you place it there. Then you go to the ankle. That is the edge of your fabric. You divide it by 2. Your ankle, you divide your ankle by 2. Whatever comes out, you place it there. I'm sorry, hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Now you have to connect all the marks that you have marked on your fabric. You have to connect them together. If you don't know how to use your hip curve, you can still use your straight ruler. So both of them are doing the same thing. Now to cut out the back, you fold your fabric and place the front one on top of it. Then at the crotch line, you add 2 inches. And at the up of it, you add 2 inches. At the side of it, you add 2 inches. Depends on how big the buttocks is, the person buttocks is. So you can use more than 2 inches. So now your waist measurement, you divide it by 2, as we did at the front. You divide it by 2. Then from that 2 inches you placed at the back of it, from that place you measure the half of your waist. You put your half of your waist measurements. I believe you can see me clearly. You can understand what I'm doing. Just watch, you understand. Then you add 2 inches. Then you go up by 1 inch. That place you place 2 inch, you go up by 1 inch. Then you connect to that back line that you've marked. Connect it to that back line. So from that 1 inch you marked, you stroke it down to your thigh. Just watch what I'm doing. Now you will add 2 inch, 2 inch down to the edge of your fabric. Just watch me. Then you connect all together. Now you connect the back one straight down to the crotch line. So after connecting it to your crotch, you just roll it down. Don't put any allowance there. Just roll it down, straight down. So after that, you cut it out. Now we are going to cut out the pocket. Now it is time for us to sew them together. First of all, we are going to sew the pockets. Now we are going to sew it. Hope you can see me. You're going to sew it. Later you flip it inside. You do the same at the other one. Now we've sewn it together. You can see it. I've also ironed it. Now we are going to sew the back one together. from the waist down and end at the crotch side. You end at the crotch side. So we have sewn them together. I hope you can see it very well. We have sewn them together. So it is time for us to join the back and the front together. After sewing them together, now we are going to sew the band and the zip. Then I will show you the finished look. I've fixed the zip and also the band. This is the finished look of the trouser. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also press the notification button for more updates. And if you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments at the comment section. May God bless you.